We made an acquisition last April of a company called Dieselmatic. So Fullbay and Dieselmatic joined forces. Dieselmatic focuses on driving digital marketing just for heavy-duty shops. Okay? And Fullbay had started out offering some basic websites for customers because there was a need. There was a lot of customers who didn't have a website.
Well, they're focused on running their shop, not on being a marketing company, right?
And we could offer them a website that was better than not having a website. But we weren't professional digital marketing, folks. So we acquired Dieselmatic, and this team is wholly focused on not just creating awesome websites for customers, but helping manage their SEO and SEM, all of their content creation, right? You as a shop, you don't want to have somebody writing articles and blogs. Dieselmatic does that for you. And as you can build your brand, it certainly helps them to attract new customers. But even today, it helps attract employees, right? Employer branding is dramatically undervalued. Everyone talks about the tech shortage, but then they kind of forget, wow, I need to market to candidates. So the Dieselmatic crew has been incredible. That business has grown really, really well the past year and a half. And so we're excited because Fullbay helps you optimize the way you manage the business you already have. Dieselmatic helps you get more business to then optimize and run really well.
So you have to have that critical first step to get your business organized well, make it efficient, and then you can scale.
Exactly. So